Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Postmark for reliable VPS email sending, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Postmark website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to proceed. Fill in the required fields with your email address and password. Review and accept the terms of service. Click on the Create Account button to continue. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Postmark. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Postmark website to log in. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Servers section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Server button to set up your email server. Enter a name for your server that reflects its intended use. Choose the appropriate region for your server location. Click on the Create Server button to finalize the setup. Once the server is created, take note of the API key displayed on the Server Details page. Now, navigate to the DNS Settings section to configure your domain. Add the required DNS records to authenticate your email sending. These include SPF, DKIM, and a TXT record for domain verification. Allow some time for DNS changes to propagate. Return to your Postmark servers page to check the status of your DNS records. Once verified, you are ready to start sending emails. Integrate the Postmark API into your application using the provided documentation. Test your email sending functionality to ensure everything is working smoothly. Monitor your email delivery and analytics through the dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary based on your email performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.